Every moment spent with trees is a moment spent with my soul. The trees whisper wisdom. The rivers sing melodies. And the breeze carries love. Every flower, every leaf, every sunrise fills my heart with gratitude. Nature is a divine gift. Nature is my peace, my joy, and my greatest teacher, my greatest guru. I love going on a swing in the heart of nature. The fresh breeze, the soothing sounds of birds, and the gentle sway make me feel light and free. It's a moment of pure joy, like floating with the wind, that reconnecting with my inner child. Nature's embrace and the rhythm of the swing fill my heart with happiness and joy and peace. What more I can say? There's a lot to speak about nature. In nature, I find comfort, I find strength, and endless wonder. It heals me, it inspires me, and reminds me of life's true beauty. Nature is not just a part of my life. It is not a part of my life, it's everything for my life. I love to read in nature. I hold my book, I go outside and read, where the gentle breeze turns the pages and the rustling leaves create a soothing melody. Surrounded by the trees, flowers, and the open sky, every word feels more alive. Every word gives more meaning. I feel more like every story is more magical. Nature becomes my quiet library, where wisdom flows from both books and the whisper of the wind. In this peaceful embrace, I lose myself in stories, while finding a deeper connection with the world around me. I thank nature for its endless beauty, for the trees that give shade, give fruits, flowers, the rivers that sing, and the sky that embraces all. Every flower, every breeze, and every sunrise fills my heart, fills everyone's heart with joy and peace. I'm deeply, deeply, deeply grateful to God for everything He has given to me, to this world, and to this life. This life, this love, and the ability to cherish His creation. He allows us to cherish His creation. Every moment in nature is a reminder of His divine presence. That's a blessing to be treasured. With every sunrise, nature inspires me. With every breeze, nature refreshes me. Nature, you are sanctuary. You are my sanctuary. You are my constant companion. And I'm grateful for your beauty, for all your wisdom, and the love you pour into this world and into my life. Thank you so much. Thanks again, and peace. Stay blessed, everyone. Love you all.